If you have issues attaining a trademark for your brand name, should you dump the brand name and get a new brand name to avoid any issues in the future when you're trying to go for brand registry and things like that? Then a resounding yes is the answer to that question. You want to make sure that should your business become uber successful, and of course that's what we're all going for, it becomes uber successful, then you will need to protect that business. The simplest way of protecting it is to put some intellectual property laws around it, patents, trademarks, etc., etc., etc. So you want to make sure you've got the potentiality to do that. You want to make sure that you've got that. Don't try and do it later, or don't, if you know you've got problems now, don't ignore them. Better to make the changes now, so when you do ultimately go trademark, it's not going to be an issue for you, mate. That's what I would do, David.
Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales I've used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.